Hello students, as the alcohol having a functional group hydroxyl group, that is OH group. So first of all, in order to discuss about its properties and functions, we need to first discuss the functional group, the structure of functional group, that is a hydroxyl group present in alcohols and phenols. So let us discuss the structure of functional group, that is OH group. When we talk about the alcohol, we always come with a functional group, that is OH. OH is a functional group. Here we have drawn the two structures, that is one for methanol, the other one is for phenol. When you compare the structure here, you can find that alcoholic group, that is OH group. OH group in which the carbon atom have two lone pairs. You can see, oxygen atom have two lone pairs, and there is a linkage between the carbon and oxygen. There is a linkage between the carbon and oxygen, that is a polar bond here, and one more polar bond is there, that is a bond between oxygen and hydrogen. So we can say that in the case of alcohol, two polar bonds are there. One is the CO polar bond, the other one is OH polar bond. When you find out there is a difference in the electronegativity of carbon and oxygen, therefore their bond is polar. Similarly, there is electronegativity differences between oxygen and hydrogen. Therefore, we can say that that bond is also polar. So, in the case of haloalkanes and haloarenes, we find there is only single polar bond, but in this case there are two polar bonds. So same in the case of phenol also, you can find out there are two polar bond, that is CO polar bond and OH polar bond. Here the oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized and the carbon is also sp3 hybridized. So when you look at the carbon atom here, this carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. In the case of methanol, this carbon is sp3 hybridized, but in the case of phenol, this carbon atom is sp2 hybridized because there is a double bond here. Because of this reason, the aromatic and aliphatic alcohols show different reactivity. They show difference in the reactivity that we need to discuss when we discuss about the chemical reaction. So we can say that in aliphatic alcohol, the carbon atom that is linked with oxygen is sp3 hybridized, and in the case of aromatic alcohol, that is phenol, the carbon atom of CO bond, that carbon is sp2 hybridized. When you talk about the angle between, that is COH, this angle, when you find it out this angle, because in the case of alcohol you can find out the COH angle, that is a bond angle, in alcohol is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. What is a tetrahedral angle? As we have discussed, here oxygen is sp3 hybridized. That means this angle must be tetrahedral angle. But the tetrahedral angle is 109 degree point 28 minute. But in the case of this, we can find out this angle is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. Just now we have discussed the structure. In this you can find out the angle is 108.9 degree. That is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. Here also you can find out the angle, that is 109 degree angle, which is also slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. So what we can say that why it is lesser? Why the bond angle in the alcohol is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle? That is due to the repulsion between the unshared electron pairs of oxygen. In the last class, we have discussed that due to the presence of a lone pair, there is a lone pair repulsion, and that lone pair repulsion is greater than lone pair bond pair, and which is greater than bond pair. This we have discussed last year. So because of such repulsion, what happened? The bond angle slightly get decreased. So if the question is asked, that is a reasoning question is asked, why this angle is less? So your answer will be because of the repulsion between the lone pair electrons of oxygen in alcohols. That is the reason. Because of this, the angle is slightly less than the tetrahedral angle. What about the bond length? When you compare the bond length of a aromatic alcohol with the aliphatic, you can find out that in the case of phenol, that is aromatic alcohol, this length, that is CO length is slightly, in phenol it is slightly less than the methanol. So why it happens? Why this angle, why this bond length is lower? So as we discussed the two structures just now, we can find it out that in the case of methanol, the bond length, that is 142 pm, that is this bond. CO bond is 142 pm. But in the case of phenol, the CO bond is 136 pm. So you can find it out that the angle of phenol is slightly less than the case of methanol. So that we need to discuss here. So what is the reason behind that? Because of resonance. In the case of phenol, due to the resonance, there is a partial double bond between the carbon and oxygen. So when you make the resonating structure, it is clear that when you make the resonating structure, so during the resonating structure, you can find that there is a partial double bond here. This partial double bond, and because of this reason, we can say that as the bond order increases, so we can say that number of bond is increases, so we can say that the bond length decreases. So because of this reason, we can say that they have slightly lesser bond length in compared to methanol. So first reason, that is why it is lesser. The first reason is that is due to the partial double bond character, that is due to resonance. Here it is written conjugation of unshared electron, that is actually result, that is nothing but the resonance. So in simple words, you can write due to the partial double bond character due to resonance. The second point is that is due to the sp2 hybridized state of carbon atom in the case of phenol. Because in the case of phenol, this CO bond, we are talking about CO bond. So this carbon atom is actually sp2 hybridized. But in the case of methanol, this carbon atom, that CO bond, C carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. So that is also one of the reason for it. So in this video, we discussed that the hydroxyl group, OH group, the bond length we have discussed, the polarity of the bond discussed. We have discussed that there are two polar bonds here, that is CO bond and OH. Both are the polar bonds, and we discussed about the bond angle, and we also discussed about the bond length. And the bond length of phenol is less than methanol due to resonance, partial double bond is present, and due to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this is all concept are quite important for discussing the equation, that is the reactions related to alcohols. So in the further videos, we'll be discussing about reactivity. So this is the most important concept which you need to consider for discussing the reactivity. So in the next video, we'll be discuss the further one. Thank you everyone.